Good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here with your Noyes notes on this Monday. Hope everyone had an awesome weekend. It is all about the heat the next several days. Heat wave through midweek. I know some of us hit 90 plus degrees yesterday as well, so that'll be 4 days in a row. Oppressive humidity too. You combine the two, the heat index is going over 100 in spots. Hit or miss thunderstorms today and tomorrow with this much heat and humidity in place. There may be more scattered action on Wednesday, but that will finally bring some relief by the time we get to Thursday. Dew points dropping into the 50s, which will be a welcome change, and the highs will be in the 80s as opposed to the 90s. So it's coming. Hang in there. 90 to 95, though, highs today. This is without the humidity factored in. Little relief along the immediate south coast, though it's just as humid for us. Highs in the 80s along the south coast of Connecticut, Rhode Island, back over to the Cape. 90 to 95, most of us through central Vermont, southwest New Hampshire, to the seacoast as well. Be a hot one at the beaches today, too. 80s in far northern New England to lower 90s from the lakes to the seacoast, and many of us will be in the mid to upper 80s from the crown of Maine to 90 when you get back down near the turnpike, mid 80s along the coastline of Maine. Now, thunderstorm risk today, there is one. But don't focus on the exact placement. This morning should be fine. Even by early to mid-afternoon, we should be doing okay. There may be a stray shower that develops in far northern New England or an isolated storm you notice that pops in southern New England, but the action isn't that widespread. By the time we get to the afternoon, there'll probably be some action coming out of upstate New York. This swings through from west to east. There'll be a few storms that pop in southern New England as well. They should weaken as they come into eastern areas of New England, but there's just so much heat and humidity in place. It is a day to be weather aware for sure, particularly during the late afternoon and evening. Heavy downpours, lightning, some brief gusty winds will accompany any thunderstorms that develop today. So we'll keep you posted on that. Overnight tonight, staying muggy with lows generally 70 to 75 for many of us. We'll have a few 60s in far western New England. What about the rest of the week? Breaking the heat, breaking the humidity. Many more details in our Insights video coming out later on today. And of course, you can find all of our weather information, social media, and online, our website, onedegreeoutside.com.